tombol subscribe.
Welcome back, learners. How's it going there? Are you ready to study English today? Let's go! So let's talk about tenses again. So today we are going to discuss about function of past, future, continuous tense. For continuous sharing about grammar, in this session, I want to share about past, future, continuous tense. In this case, I want to discuss about the function or purpose or usage, the pattern and time signal, and the example of past, future, continuous tense. So don't skip this video. Past, future, continuous tense is used to express about the idea that in the past action or even was predicted, claimed, promised, expected, or obligated to be happening, being continued in a certain period in the past or future, or while simultaneously another action even happened or was also happening, being continued in the same period in the past future, regardless the fact the idea was not referred to the truth. And then what is the formula? Bagaimana rumusnya? Kita lihat rumusnya positif dulu ya. Nah, positive sentence-nya itu ada subject, kemudian ditambahkan dengan should or would, and then ditambahkan dengan be, dan kemudian ditambahkan dengan verb in. Okay, for example, he would be jumping between the rocks at the night yesterday. And then, I would be studying English at 8 o'clock last night. Oke, kemudian contohnya lagi kita bisa lihat ada she would be watering the garden at this day last night. Jadi rumusnya ada she kemudian would be watering the garden. Oke, next, bagaimana kalau misalkan if we want to make a negative sentence? Nah, di sini kalian tinggal tambahkan aja would not setelah kata would dan di following by verb in. Contohnya, he would not be jumping between the rocks at the night yesterday. Yang tadi kan ada I would be studying. Tinggal kita tambahkan aja I would not be studying English. Kemudian ada she would not be watering. Okay? Next, bagaimana kalau misalkan if you want to make a question? Nah, di sini kalian tinggal pindahkan saja should-nya in the first subject and then after that following the another sentence. Contohnya seperti would I be studying English at 8 o'clock last night? Kemudian ada would she be watering the garden at this day last night? So, if you want to make a question or if you want to make a positive and negative, now you know the formula how to make a sentence. Ingat saja, setiap tenses itu there is an effort of time. Okay, learners, that's all about the explanation past, future, continuous tense. Hopefully, it can increase our knowledge about English, especially grammar. So don't give up. Don't stop studying until you're proud. So that's all about my explanation today, and also don't forget to subscribe. Remember, better English, bright future. See you again.
Belajar itu menyenangkan. Jangan lupa subscribe channel ini. Dengan subscribe, insya Allah Anda akan mendapatkan materi edukasi dari kami setiap kami melakukan upload.